Good morning. I'm back out on the Willoway docks. You can see here the docks are jamming today. Let's take a walk through the dock. We got some great looking plants to look at. First up here we have our 3-gallon Alberta spruce. You can see that nice lush growth. Great shape and value on those. And wow, look at those big 5-gallon Annabelle hydrangea. Very nice Mr. Bowling Ball here in 3 gallons. 2-gallon velvet, some exceptional value here. I pulled one off to show you the size. That's a great value, guys. 2-gallon green velvets. Sometimes you need a little bigger plant. This is it. Here we have some 5-gallon winter gems. As you can see here, there's several varieties of paniculata hydrangeas coming up to the dock here. You know, the guys have trimmed them back. They're going through their cycles. Just now starting to set some buds at the tips there. You know, these are going to be showing color all season long. So, you know, we got a pretty good selection. The guys have split trends. We got more coming up throughout the whole season. This one's one of my favorites. It's part of the Worry Free program. This one's Early Evolution. And you can see the buds starting to come out on these. They're just going to explode with white flowers, guys. Tight, compact habit. Check this one out, Early Evolution. I wanted to grab these before they load them up, but we have several crops of delphiniums. And wow, look at these plants here. You know, you want to grab them now because, you know, they're starting to spike up, show some bud and bloom. Looking good. Again, you can't go wrong with roses. I mean, look at these gorgeous plants. Heavily budded, shaped nicely, bud and bloom colors here. Can't go wrong with the roses. They're looking good. People are going to be out looking for color. This is your plant. Check out our selection of roses. We have some of the Proven Winners Serrata series. These are tough stuff, tough fun. I mean, holy smokes, look at the bud and bloom on those. They're just starting to peek out with a little bit of color. Again, our macrophyllus are looking phenomenal right now. This is the new one from the Endless Summer series, white. This is Dream Cloud. You can see these puffs of nice white flowers coming out. This one has a little more pure white flower compared to Blessed Bride. Nice, rich, thick foliage to it. Check this one out, Dream Cloud. Flagella are all fantastic right now. We got wine and roses, spilled wine, several of the new varieties coming out here, as you can see. Nice, full, heavy plants. They're starting to throw a little bit of flower on them, but you know, these are plants that are going to give throughout the season. Don't forget your Flagella. Several truckloads and carts of ferns are coming in. Here we're looking at tassel fern. Nice, rich color, beautiful, heavy plants. Be sure to check out that fern collection. And perennials just keep coming here. We're looking at an assortment here of the hosta, several varieties of hosta coming up. We have Tradescantia there, coming down here. Sedums. Sedums are looking great. Nepeta, I believe those are Walker's Low or Junior Walkers. I mean, great landscape size plants. Beautiful summer color. Great color with the hatch and the low all gold there. And coming down here, look at these ostrich ferns. Gorgeous. Looking at the carts here, we have lavender. That's a very popular one. Coming up here, some Nepeta, Chrysanthemum, that's banana cream too. Again, gorgeous summer color. These are really going to shine as we get later into the season, but you know, they got little tight buds down in them. These are your perennial hibiscus. This one's Midnight Marvel. And this is really when you want to get them. Right, they're coming up. They got nice foliage on them. They're starting to set bud. They're going to bloom on the lots and in your yard. These have huge saucer-like flowers too. Check out the Flagella. This one is called Apple Slices. You can see the very unique flower. Great looking perennials here. Flagella Apple Slices. Just did a great job on the Buddleias. We're starting to see the new crop here coming out of that flush. They got buds on the tips of them. Several varieties there. The Tradescantia over there looking sensational too. So keep in mind, the Buddleia is ready. That's a great butterfly collector. Wow, look at the lupines. I believe these are the West Country series. You know, you can see they're starting to throw up buds here. Gorgeous plants. Lupines. Well, as you can see here in another section of dock, still have gorgeous container trees shipping out on the dock here. Up front here, we're looking at some 7-gallon salix and shikis. Several varieties of shade and ornamental trees. Ready for that landscape. Well, we've seen the 3 gallons earlier on the Albertas. These are the bigger ones. These are the 7s. You need that little bit bigger plant. Look at that. Perfect size and shape. Here's another one that we see a lot of, and those are going out. These are the 15-gallon Thea full speed ahead. These are gorgeous, guys. Good value. Keep in mind, they still have some beautiful annual shipping out. See here, great looking quartz, flats, baskets, 10-inch pots. Don't forget, we still have some great color to restock those benches. Extend that season out. We're looking at the mop cypress, great color. Here we're looking at physocarpus. This one is ginger wine. We've seen a lot of those on the dock. Outstanding color for summer. Boxwood are looking sensational. Nice grouping here. We'll get a little more detail as we go through here. But yeah, those 2-gallon velvets are coming up. Here we have some little missies. Beautiful plants. Again, Wigelia spread out through the dock here. We got wine of roses, spilled wine, several others. We'll see more. Here we have Sorbaria. That's cherry on top from Bloomin' Easy. And coming down here. Look at this one. This is bubble wine. Gorgeous variegated plant from Golden Winners. A few carts getting staged to load there. We're looking at the gorgeous Heuchera. Big, heavy, full plants. Great selection of colors. Digitalis. Wow, look at that. They're spiking up. Looking great. Get your Spirea. This is part of the double play series. This is double play doozy. We have the whole collection here. You can see, look at the buds starting to come on those. Great looking foliage color, topped with a beautiful flower. Landscape favorite. These are Aeschylus parviflora, bottle brush buckeye. Great looking 5-gallon. On the back side of that boxwood section there for the dock, here we're looking at our 7-gallon velvets. Nice, heavy, full plants, lush new growth. Landscape ready. Next up here we have some beautiful 3-gallon Ramblas, fine one. You know, here's another gorgeous planted crop of 5-gallon Annabelle hydrangeas. You can see they're nice, clean foliage, starting to set buds on top. Great landscape size. 5-gallon Annabelle hydrangea. We have the 2 gallons. Here we're looking at the 3-gallon green velvets. Again, you can't go wrong with these boxwoods. Great looking crop. We had season-long supply of them. Beautiful. Daylilies are another popular plant here. We're looking at growing bananas with them smoothie. Gorgeous. We're looking at a big load. These are all haze scented ferns. You know, and that's a great native plant as part of our American Beauties collection. I think Dad's going to talk about those. We have a fantastic crop. Looking sensational. Beauties. Here we have some 15-gallon Pixie, big, full landscape great. Here on the back side of the trees, we're looking at our 7-gallon hydrangeas. You know, several loads of these going out. We have a great selection. We do 7s, 15s, and even these big 25s coming up. So, you know, these are going to start to bloom in the yard very soon. Be sure to get some hydrangea trees in. Here we have some of our big 25-gallon limelights. Gorgeous plants here. Nice caliper, heavy heads, looking good. This one's kind of tucked on the pallet here, but I wanted to show you this 20-gallon dissectum maple. Gorgeous, beautiful sized plants. That's a quick walk through the dock. You see the guys are getting carts loaded up, ready to get trucks going. You know, we've seen a lot of beautiful plants here this morning. Be sure to give it a sales team. Geez, I hope I load the truck for you.